Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a mountain bike tire that is going to take you anywhere you want to go? Then you are going to love this one. This is the Maxxis Assegai mountain bike tire. We have this in the 29-inch wheel, 2.5-inch width size. This is an overall awesome tire for all kinds of terrain. My husband uses this on mountain bike trails, steep incline, declines, rocky, muddy, jumps, you name it. And it really has had an amazing grip to the trail wherever he goes, providing a really nice control over the ride. So you can see the really deep grooves and the tall knobs on this tire. So it's going to get you through everything. It's a really durable, well-made tire too. It's going to last a really long time. These are also a tubeless compatible, so you can seal them to the rim. So if you're looking for a tire that you can be confident is going to get you through whatever on the trail, definitely check this one out. So we would definitely recommend this Maxxis tire for your mountain bike, and that's my point of view.